Hello, it's Simon from Astrakan project. This is a view over one of my favorite parts of Kiev, the area of Krещатик. And it's beautiful at this time of the day for sunset. But my sound system isn't good enough for me to keep filming and recording from here, so let's change location. So it's been a crazy week for us and for some of you too. We have received many beautiful playback proposals for our project of the video for the cover of Running Up That Hill in Breton that we are creating at the moment. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I will link down below some of the links to the project so that you know what we're talking about. And I'm very happy I made most of the videos about the project in English because actually, and I wasn't expecting that, we got many beautiful proposals from people in the UK and in the US that we were not expecting it, and we were not expecting that you would be so amazingly good at doing the synchronization on Breton lyrics. It's mind-blowing. It's really mind-blowing. And also we are so impressed and amazed and grateful for the time and effort and dedication and love you put into each of you, like creating your own sequence, like finding specific locations, and we love the stories you shared about why you choose this specific location, choosing the clothes and the ambience and the light. And it's really beautiful. It will almost be heartbreaking to cut through it and only keep small parts so that it will make sense in the whole final video. And I cried many times when I was discovering the footage because they're mind-blowing and so authentic in a way. It's way beyond any expectation I had about this project. When I thought about this project, I thought that it will be like a cool project to get some folks involved creating the video with us. I wouldn't expect to get like so beautiful and thought through and thoughtful video footage. So huge thank you for that. Huge thank you. I'm in the backyard of some of the buildings in our neighborhood. They are very beautiful, but they are still not that quiet, so I hope the sound level will be alright for you. So now we will take 1 or 2 days off to off from this project because first we are working from home on our regular jobs, so we don't have much of the time before the weekend comes in. And also I want to step back and then come back to the footage with a fresh perspective and a fresh mind, and then we'll start editing. And by we I mean I and Jan, because Jan has said that he will be choosing the pieces with me and think about where they fit and how they fit together to create a story throughout the video. And I'm very happy about that because generally I'm the one creating the videos. I make the footage, I choose them, I put them together. I sort of ask Jan what he thinks about it, but so far I'm the one generally creating the videos. So this time it will be a work from both of us, so that's quite cool. It's hard to tell at the moment. It's hard for me to tell at the moment how long it will gonna take us to do it, because of also our work schedule. There are a lot of things we are not in control of. But despite of that, I really hope that we can release the official video by the end of May. And when that will be done, we will get in touch with any single of you. And maybe one cool thing to do would be to have the video running as a premiere on YouTube, so that we can watch it for the first time all together and comment, and we would be live at the same time and answering your comments. So that's sort of what we're thinking about. I'll leave you with some images and footage of beautiful Kiev in the spring. Kenavo, Kentatro.
Duyan remani, yazar ve jelence. Duyan remani, yazar ve jelle.